Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Indonesia, my name is Humaira Zara and I'm student in Nutrition and Dietetic 2019. And now, I'm joining to Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2020 as representative on behalf of Health Polytechnic of Kalimantan Timur. I like to study about food and how to make a modification food. My motivation for studying in health is to help the community in solving and preventing disease through food. There are many best experiences during student in Health Polytechnic of Kalimantan Timur. First runner-up in the modification competition at the IKA-Maju National Conference in Semarang, and I as a finalist in the writing scientific contest at the Public Health Festival 2019. And now, I would like to share my research with the title is Giving Moringa Leaf Nugget as an Alternative MPASI Toddler Age 11 till 24 months. Stunting is one of nutritional problems faced by Indonesia and even the world besides COVID-19. The stunting rate from the results of Riskesdas 2018 which is 30.8%. This value is down 6.4% from the results of Riskesdas 2013 which is 37.2%. However, this value is still far from the WHO limit cut-off point 20%.
Bulan depan Indonesia akan memperingati 75 tahun kemerdekaan. Namun di tahun ini juga ternyata Indonesia berada di peringkat keempat penyumbang terbanyak anak stunting di dunia. Angkanya mencapai 6 juta lebih anak Indonesia yang mengalami kekerdilan. Bagaimana ulasan detailnya? Kita akan cek faktanya bersama Dade Salampesi. Silakan Dade.
Ya, Sumi dan juga pemirsa, 75 tahun Indonesia merdeka ternyata masih ada sejumlah pekerjaan rumah untuk kita semua terkait dengan kesehatan anak termasuk stunting dan juga masalah kekerasan yang masih banyak dialami oleh anak Indonesia. Sebagai pembuka kita lihat sejumlah data dan fakta terkait dengan kesehatan anak kita yang bisa dikatakan sangat mencengangkan pemirsa karena berdasarkan data pada tahun 2017 bayangkan 65,16 anak Indonesia usianya yang di bawah 2 tahun artinya bisa dikatakan bayi mendapatkan ASI eksklusif tapi rata-rata hanya 3 bulan saja. Masalah ini terkait dengan regulasi cuti melahirkan di Indonesia yang hanya 3 bulan berdasarkan dengan Undang-Undang Ketenagakerjaan. Sementara itu terkait dengan perlindungan anak jika tadi data 2017 maka data 2019 hampir 10% atau lebih tepatnya 9,87% anak Indonesia dengan rentang usia antara 0 sampai 17 tahun. Artinya anak SMA pun termasuk ke dalam angka ini konsumsi kalorinya kurang dari 1.400 KKL. Artinya konsumsi kalori anak Indonesia masih dikatakan kurang walaupun hanya 10% anak Indonesia pada 2019. Data dan fakta lainnya yang perlu kita lihat ialah 10,2% anak Indonesia lebih tepatnya adalah balita yaitu anak-anak yang di bawah 5 tahun menderita atau masuk dalam kategori kurus. Ini pada tahun 2018 data dari Riskesdas dan data lainnya 17,7% balita mengalami kekurangan gizi.
Many factors affect the occurrence of stunting in children. So, it's necessary to make new innovation and prevent stunting by providing food like giving Moringa Leaf Nugget. For testing this scalar leaf nugget, it is necessary to do an organoleptic test. There are 2 samples for this process, where the sample A1 is processed nugget is given upon the floor, while the sample A2 is processed nugget that is not given upon the floor. Both samples were given on 12 untrained panelists who were officers in the Puskesmas of Tanjung Selo, North Kalimantan. The results of this organoleptic test was obtained that the panelists prefers the second sample A2, which is the processed nugget without upon the floor. Nutrient content contained in the product processed nuggets of different color on both samples due to difference and results.
Nutrient content in one processing nugget on the first sample A1, accurate energy 780 kilocalories, carbohydrate 61.4 grams, protein 35 grams, fat 44 grams, fiber 6.7 milligrams, calcium 349.7 milligrams, iron 7.9 milligrams, vitamin A 20,201 SE, and vitamin C 117.7 milligrams. And nutrient content of sample A2 are energy 737 kilocalories, carbohydrate 52.5 grams, protein 33.8 grams, fat 43.8 grams, fiber 6.5 milligrams, calcium 347.9 milligrams, iron 7.7 milligrams, vitamin A 20,201 st, and vitamin C 117.7 milligrams.
Of the two samples available between the sample A1 and A2, panelists prefer the sample A2 in terms of color, aroma, texture, and prefer the flavors in the A1. The first sample A1, the nuggets of the carol leaf, has a yellow color given by the color of the panel floor, different from the second sample A2 has dark green color. Organoleptic assessment of the aroma of nugget carol leaf indicates that in terms of aroma, this nugget is acceptable for consumers. The aroma of the second sample A2 became the most liked by the panelists, rather than the aroma of the first sample A1. The assessment isn't much different, so it can be said the addition of panel floor doesn't affect the aroma of the first sample. Organoleptic test results indicate that the nugget of the carol leaf can still be accepted by the public, despite the lack of salty flavor. The highest favorite assessment of the flavor characteristics found in the second sample, A2.
In line with the research of ABV et al. 2015, stating that the addition of powder levels of different calories affect the power of receiving product taste. Organoleptic assessment of the texture of nugget carol leaves indicates that in terms of texture, the nugget is still acceptable to the community. Nugget textures of the carol leaves most likely panelists is the texture on the second sample A2. It is because the panel floor so that the texture is soft and tender, while in the first sample A1, that is the given the bandage of floor, so that the texture is coarse and soft.
Some of the benefits of consuming the first carol leaf to convert carol leaf in the right amount and time can help prevent stunting. To even with the stunting, red in Indonesia, high energy, and second iron. The nutrient content of amino acids on carol leaves plays an important role in maintaining the body's digestive system. The third, nutrient content of carol leaves also serves to effectively improve any growth process in the body and can help improve the body immunity. 4. As one alternative toward free radicals. The advantage of this product compared to other products that are obtained easily and utilize local food ingredients, so it can be found anywhere. Moringa leaf nugget has a higher nutrient content value than just consuming chicken nuggets. The material needed are cheap. Processed food can serve as a snack. Contain nutrients that are quite high like energy, protein, and fat. Processing isn't difficult and doesn't take a long time. Has a good palatability because nugget is a common process that has been familiar. This product is suitable to be consumed by toddler age 11 till 24 months and is expected to help reduce stunting figures in Indonesia. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.